Whew. What is up, guys? Today we got something super stupid that I know I'm gonna hate. Lowrey's bacon curls, microwave, pork rinds, chicharron pearls, original, hot and crispy, pork rinds, pork rinds. Alright, these are microwavable pork rinds if you can't tell. Yay, it's like popcorn, but crappy pieces of pigskin instead. Hooray. Less than 1 gram total carb per serving. Woo! Oh boy, yay! I saw this at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it looked absolutely disgusting, so I figured y'all like to watch me eat this. Ingredients: pork rind. Hooray! It's all. Helpful hints. Microwave ovens vary in power. Of course they do. Be sure the surface of the microwave is clean and dry. Shake bag side to side. Product does not make any popping sound. Do not leave. That's a bunch of stuff. I don't care. Those aren't hints. Those are warnings. Alright, so we got a shake bag after we remove the plastic. And then we microwave. Center folded bag on turntable. Okay, directions. Side up. Okay. Watch. Stop microwave when bag stops expanding. Why do I gotta do that? It should be when it's done. Carefully open. No, we're gonna tear whatever. I don't care anymore. That's what the inside. Hooray! Ew, gross. It's greasy. Ew. It's literally it's greasy. Oh my god. There's that shit. Oh my god, it's just a novel. I don't care. Should have just opened it up and read this. Whatever. Okay. ASMR! That's scary. Woo, shiki, boys. It smells like really shitty burnt bacon. Oh boy, this is gonna burn the hell out of myself opening this. I don't even know how to open it. Fuck it. Let's see what's inside, boys. Oh wow. Alright. Okay, it stinks. It smells like shit. Don't like it. But I give them props. Look at that. That literally looks like some goddamn pork rinds. Like you'd buy already made in the bag. They are crackling. They are poppling. And they just literally smell like really shitty burnt bacon. Let's get into it, boys. Ooh, they are still crackling. So yeah. Ooh, that's scary. They're still popping. Number one complaint: they are not hot and spicy. These are not. They taste very, very. Not that honestly, for a dollar store pork rind that I microwave, I can tell you they don't taste bad, but they taste very bland in the sense that they're not spicy. They taste like regular pork rinds you would buy in the store, but these ones are a little warm. At first, they're super crunchy, but once you chew them, they kind of like clumps up in your mouth, and it's like getting kind of hard to swallow it. But I feel like it's because I literally just eating it. I think you're supposed to like wait. So if you microwave these, you let them sit for a minute. Like that one actually looks pretty good. But like mushes up in your mouth, and it's like I'm really fucking thirsty. But dang, surprisingly, it's a fun purchase. If you like pork rinds, I don't normally. but a 2.5. I don't like pork rinds, and whatever. Like I said, I think, you know, 2.5 is, I think, very fair for what this Dollar Tree product is. And like I said, if you like pork rinds, it'll probably be higher for you, but for me, I'm not really a fan. I think they're kind of gross. They're very, very salty. I know it's supposed to be, though. It's literally fried pig skin, which is also gross. But yeah, 2.5 out of 5. It's acceptable in a low-key way.